Want a cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank? Do we have the product for you? In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut headlight tint. But what you might not know is that Bogart Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogarttechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Acura ADX, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation. And this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're able to remove all of the contaminants with just the slip solution, you should be good. If you still have any remaining contaminants, let's say any wax, oils, grease, or any coating on the lens, you can use tack solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. And you're also going to need a clean microfiber towel. So grab your slip solution, spray it onto the lens, and remove all the contaminants that the headlight may have, and also just clean around the surrounding area just in case if the film does touch the paint, it doesn't catch any contaminants. Okay, so now that we finished with the prep, now we can start with the installation. So just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film onto the headlight, and all we're going to do is make sure we align it on that edge right here. And once we have it aligned, we're going to spray our tack solution to help it tack down. And then with our squeegee, we're going to squeegee up to around this section here. That way the film stays anchored to this section of the headlight. That way once we stretch and align it to this side here, the film stays here and it doesn't shift. And something you can do in order to help the adhesive activate faster around this section here is grab a heat gun. You can also use a hair dryer. Use the lowest setting on your device and apply heat evenly. That way we help the adhesive activate faster. Okay, so once we finish tagging it down here and it's secured, now we can stretch the film to this edge here. If the film is dry, just lift it and apply a little bit of slip solution. That way we're able to tack it down and stretch. Since we are going to need to anchor it around this area here, grab your tack solution and apply it on the edge here. That way we're able to tack it down fast. So just stretch going like this. Make sure you align it here and the edge right here. Just hold it in position for a couple seconds. That way the film starts molding to the design of the curve. And then still hold it. Make sure it's not moving back. Hold it. Apply tack solution on top. Grab your squeegee and tack it down slowly. And if you're having trouble tacking it down here, you can also apply tack solution around this middle section here underneath the film. All you need to do is just lift it carefully, apply tack solution, tack it back down, make sure it's stretched and on the edge right here, and tack it down. And in order to help the adhesive activate a little faster, that way it stays tacked down faster, you can also apply heat and apply it around this section here. And now just make sure to double check and make sure you're not leaving any water bubbles underneath the film. And then once we're done tacking everything down and making sure everything's not lifting, if it is, you would just apply heat wherever the film is lifting and tack it back down. So once you're done double checking that everything's good, the last thing to do would be to post heat. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation for the headlight is to post heat everything. So just grab your tack solution, spray it onto the lens. You're going to need your heat device and also a microfiber towel. That way once you're applying heat, we use our towel just to help it tack down and remove any solution that's trapped around the edges. So make sure, double check and make sure if there's no lifting on the film. If there is, apply heat and tack it down. So take your time applying heat evenly, and then once you're done with the step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tint installation for the Acura ADX. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. And also don't forget to check out our other kits for the ADX. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.